Good morning, everybody in the Savage family. Today, you're going to be with me all day long. I have a ways to drive. I have a doctor's appointment to go to. I'm going to go hang out with a friend. But first, we got to go get our workout on. Today, Robert and I are doing a chest and shoulder workout. So here we go. Alright guys, that is a wrap of our workout today. How was your workout today, Robert?
Good.
What's the number one best thing about having me as your workout partner?
Having you as a workout partner?
Yep.
You got a good looking booty.
And that is a answer from a guy, for sure. Mine is the fact that I'm always stronger than someone else.
I'm just joking. It is true, but in all seriousness, I love working out with Crystal because she makes me smile every day.
That's true. We do have dance parties in the gym sometimes.
We do have dance parties in the gym.
Wow, that's really good. You guys rarely get to see moments like that, super savage. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, pack some food. I'll show you guys what food I'm packing for the day, and then we'll get on the road.
You want to show them a front double bicep real quick?
Just kidding. I thought I was emptying that or finishing that.
Here we go. Make sure I still got it. Get some quads popping. Boom!
Wow, now that is impressive.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, guys, so I am just about ready to go, but I wanted to show you guys the food that I'm bringing along. I often have to remind people that being busy is not an excuse to eat right, hit your macros, and keep up with your nutrition. So I'll show you what I got, or what I'm bringing. A pre-cooked chicken, and I'm going to pour some of this dressing on top of it and mix it up before I leave. I also have this. It is yogurt mixed with protein powder and a little bit of peanut butter. And then I have a couple pieces of bacon. I have some measured out almonds with salt, and I have some measured out cheese as well. So remember that, like, when you do have places to go and you are busy, that prepping your food is always the key. Always. And I know that it's not as easy. I actually prepped this stuff on Sunday because I knew I wasn't going to have time yesterday. Today's Tuesday. I knew I wasn't going to have time yesterday to do it, so I made sure it was done on Sunday for today. And now I'm ready to go. Just got to pack everything and leave. I made it. I just got finished hanging out with my friend, and it's a little bit dark in here. I apologize for that. But just got done hanging out with one of my friends, and we had a really great time just like hanging out, not doing a whole lot, just chilling. I am now at the doctor's office, and I will let you know that like every time I go to the doctor's, I feel super uneasy. I feel a little bit like sick to my stomach for some reason. I don't really know why I get like this, but I do. I have not been able to eat any of my food yet. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and go in, and when I get done, I will let you guys know. I will kind of clue you guys in on a few different things and get some better lighting too. All right, guys, the sun is a little bit in my eyes, but I really wanted to talk to you guys about the subject of going to the doctor, preventative health, and how important it is. You just saw the little clip of me being super nervous going into the doctor's office, and I literally have zero reason to be nervous. I just am very uncomfortable going into doctor's offices. I've never really had great stuff happen at doctor's offices. From early childhood on, it just seems like you go to the hospital for people hurting and in pain and things like that. But I've personally not had a whole lot of things go wrong other than my GI issues. So I don't really have a reason to be anxious or worried. But today I went into a new doctor, a new female OBGYN, just someone who is in our area. I have not found someone that I really like in our area, and luckily she was all for the keto diet, and she doesn't do keto herself, but she said it does turn out that we definitely don't need as many carbs as we need to, and that really does help us keep up with our weight and things like that when we do remove a little bit of the carbs. She was very receptive to all of the things that I do, my lifting, my training, the way that I eat, all of those types of things, and didn't have one bad thing to say, was not judgmental. So those are just a couple of the things I look for in my doctor. Do they love and support my lifestyle, my nutrition, my fitness, my everyday life, what I do as a career, things like that, and can they support that, and can they stand by me as I continue to do those things, following their guidance? And she was all for that. I honestly have never left a doctor's office feeling so absolutely amazing and confident in who I just went to see. And if you guys are in the Northwest Arkansas area and are looking for a gynecologist, OBGYN, please feel free to message me. Feel free to email me, because I've literally never been to a better person ever. So anyways, I'm super excited about that. She was just absolutely amazing. Walked me through all of the steps of everything that we were doing, and of course they just wanted to do like brand new everything because I've never been there before. So I just felt really good about it. But as far as preventative health, and making sure that you're doing exactly what you can for your body, it's so important. And you know, earlier this year, many of you guys know that we had some issues with one of my sisters, and preventative health helps with that. Preventative health, or doing scans and getting your annual pelvic exam, getting your pap smear done, getting all of those things done for the ladies is so important for preventative health, to help you to know how your body's doing. And for someone like me, I'm like, I don't want to go, I don't need to go, I'm doing fine. But make sure that you're doing all the exercise. Exercise can really help keep your body in check. 2, make sure that you're eating nutrient-dense foods. Make sure that you're taking care of your body and what you're putting in. My brother was kind of talking to me as I was like getting all nervous about it, and he said, I don't know anybody who tries to be healthier than you, who cares so much about what they put in their body, who cares so much about the activity that they're doing on a daily basis. And that really reassured me, because I truly am, day in and day out, doing what I can to keep my body healthy as much as I can. I'm not just going in for my annual, I'm not just going in to get checked, I'm proactively making decisions every single day to make sure that I can maintain a healthy lifestyle, and that hopefully with these types of checks we can catch anything early, or we can adjust as we find things. So, it always takes time for those results and everything to come back, and who knows what it's going to say. But in this moment, I feel really good. I feel really confident in this brand new doctor that I'm seeing. So make sure that you're finding someone that you can relate to, someone who's going to support you and answer all your questions. She answered all of my questions. She listened with intent. She looked at me in the eye and sat there as I explained my family history and all of this stuff. Sat there and listened to every word I said. Didn't pre-think what she was going to say. She just allowed me to speak, paused, and then gave me back her information. And I've never never had a doctor that's ever treated me with so much respect and dignity. And I'm so beyond amazed at this lady. But I hope to find that with every single doctor I will ever have in my future. And I won't go back to people who don't treat me like that. I had a GI doctor, and he was not like that. I told him I didn't want a medication, and he gave me a baggie full of medications to try. He would not listen to me. He did not support my way of living, my nutrition. He didn't support my lifting. He didn't support anything that I was doing, and I never returned back to him. And I did explain that he can't support me in what I'm doing in my lifestyle in the healthiest way possible, that I can't return to someone who can't stand beside me while I do those things for my health. So I am pretty picky, but I do want to just let you guys know that no matter how nervous you are, no matter how much you want to throw up before you go into the doctor's office for no good reason, it's always worth it. And I hope that this gives you a good sign that when you find a good doctor, you're going to leave there feeling so much better about yourself, feeling so good about your body, and feeling so empowered. That was an empowering time in there. And she didn't do anything except for examine me and listen to me. I just feel empowered to go on and continue doing what I'm doing. And that's the way you should always leave your doctor's office. You should always feel empowered. You should always feel good. But especially when someone is looking at your body and telling you, oh yeah, this is great. Oh yeah, this is not great. Let's adjust this. Let's fix this. Let's, do this, that, or the other. So if you're not leaving your doctor's office feeling empowered, or at least as good as you did when you went in, you got to change your doctor. But just wanted to let you guys know all of that. There are some people walking up my direction, so I am going to let you guys go. But I hope you guys all have a great day. I hope this was a good little clip for you guys, and for getting the point across that that it is important to get those annual checks. It is important to keep up with your health and all of that. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. All right, so I just got done at the doctor's office. I ate a little bit of that food because I was really hungry after all the nerves. And now I am at our new building in Lincoln. So here we are. This is what we are looking at now. And sorry, I'm not giving you guys a good view. All right, so this is what we're looking at right now. Everything's kind of torn apart, but looking so good. I'm not sure the last thing that you guys saw, but they have been working on the concrete and trying to smooth that out. We're gonna get that, we're gonna get some of that, I don't even know the right word, but it's gonna look a lot better with a lot different, I guess it's called a stain. So we're gonna get it stained and things like that. I do believe that that's what the darker color is over there. They're not done yet. And yeah, the ceiling looks a little bit crazy. They tore down one of the walls over there, but it is super exciting. Just decided to stop by and show Robert an update, and thought you guys might want to see as well. It's so exciting to see this place changing little by little every time we come visit. And yeah, so anyways, just thought I'd give you guys a little update and all that. I'm now gonna head home. If you guys haven't got the hint, I am actually in near Fayetteville, where the building is is that that's where my new doctor's office is going to be as well, because we are moving up here. I wanted to find a doctor's office that is going to be local to where I'm going to be living. So I have about a 2.5, 3-hour drive home, and then I get to snuggle with my husband and my puppy and start a brand new fresh day tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to you guys later.